Hello family, today I'm going to send you a short video on how to submit homework in the classroom. So as you're on your main homework page, on the left hand side you'll see an icon that says upcoming, due tomorrow, and then what the homework assignment. You're going to click that icon and it'll read the instructions to see what it is that you need to do. After that, you're going to go over to levels. Mark up your charts accordingly, according to the instructions. Make sure the charts are easy to read, detailed for coach to be able to understand. Next, once you've completed that, you're going to click the camera icon here and you're going to hit save image. A new browser will open where you'll go up into the hyperlink. Make sure you copy everything, right click this, click copy. Then you'll head back over to the classroom, and then here you'll see there a button that says add or create. You're going to click the add, click on the link only, right click to paste the link you just copied from levels, and click add link. After you added the link, you'll see like a photograph of the picture, and then you'll click turn in. What'll happen is a questioner will ask you if you want to turn in your homework. You'll click turn in to confirm. Your confirmation is that you'll have on the right hand, it'll say turn in, and the only option would be to unsubmit. So say you needed to redo the work or you didn't want to turn in this particular chart, you'll click unsubmit, and then you can hit X to remove the photograph. Now say you wanted to add multiple links, you go ahead and let me put this photo back. You click add, and then you click a link, and then you can add a second link. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add your homework from TradingView. When you get on TradingView, it's the same concept. You go to the camera once you've completed the markup of your charts, take a snapshot, and then you're going to click copy link to the chart image. You click that button, and then you'll see at the bottom link to chart image copied to clipboard. So that means that it's already been copied to your clipboard. All you need to do is go back to go back to your classroom. In the add link, right click, hit paste, add link, and then you'll go ahead and click turn in, and then it'll ask the same question whether or not you want to turn in your homework. You hit turn in, and that's how you know you successfully submitted. If this is red, if this is saying missing, that means that you are late, and then this of course is the suspense for your homework. I hope this is very simple and it clarified everything. Good luck everyone, and stay tuned to the next one.